Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you could watch a Japanese car being built today, you might be surprised by what you do not see. In this video, we are looking at low-touch assembly methods and how reducing handling helps improve build quality in Japanese cars. If you could watch a Japanese car being built in 2026, you might be surprised by what you do not see. Fewer hands reaching into tight spaces. Fewer bins of small parts stacked by the line. Fewer moments where a worker pauses to double-check a step they have done 1,000 times. That shift is the point of low-touch assembly. It means building cars with less manual handling by using automation, guided work, and checks that confirm the job is right the first time. Japanese carmakers are pushing this approach in 2026 for plain reasons. Labor shortages, rising wage pressure, and the need for steady quality as hybrids and EVs add more wiring, sensors, and battery-related steps. Here is what low touch looks like on the floor, the problems it solves, and the trade-offs factories manage to make it work. What low-touch assembly means in Japanese car plants in 2026. Low-touch assembly is not no people. It is a factory goal. Reduce unnecessary touches. Reduce variation. Catch mistakes early so they do not turn into rework or line stops. In practical terms, low touch means parts arrive to the worker in the right order, often as a kit. Tools guide the worker and then verify the result. Robots handle repeat moves like holding, lifting, placing, or applying sealant. Cameras and sensors check fit, gaps, labels, and connectors right away. Japanese manufacturing culture already favors steady improvement and built-in quality. Low touch fits that mindset because it targets the most expensive kind of work. Fixing errors after the car has moved on. A simple example is installing a cockpit module as a single unit instead of installing a dashboard piece by piece. One lift. A few guided connections. Verified torque. The car moves forward with fewer chances to miss a clip or pinch a wire. Low touch versus lights out. What is realistic today? Low touch lines still rely on people because cars are full of edge cases. Trim can vary by color and texture. Clips can feel right before they look right. Some fits need a careful hand. Fully unmanned lights-out factories exist in limited forms, usually for narrow tasks with stable parts. Final assembly is messy by comparison. Humans still add real value in final checks and road test-style validation steps. Handling exceptions like a slightly warped panel or a connector that will not seat. Delicate trim work where appearance matters. Fast problem solving when something odd shows up. Low touch is about making those human moments count, not removing them. Why 2026 is a turning point for Japanese automakers. Japan's workforce is aging, and hiring for factory roles is harder than it was a decade ago. At the same time, buyers expect consistent quality and fast delivery, even as models change more often and trims multiply. EV and hybrid builds raise the stakes. Battery packs, high-voltage routing, thermal parts, and extra control units add steps that do not forgive close enough. Many plants also run mixed model lines, building different vehicles back-to-back. That makes consistency harder unless the process itself guides the work and confirms each result. Low-touch assembly is changing how cars are built by reducing errors and improving consistency. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the specific tools, automation, and systems that make this possible. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.